Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. Then at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Now, right here I have a name, and near to the name here's pencil icon. On some devices it's located at the right top, and also some Android phones have a line with a name, so then you need to tap at this line, but we will tap at this pencil icon. Right here, write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna remove this text and add something like this one. And the most important is to click Rename at the right bottom, but on your phone it may be Done or check mark or OK. So click at this button and we just save this new name when we change it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!